Hello guys, today we will be playing a scarier game than Minecraft. Today we will be playing FNAF. Okay, let's do that. Okay, awkward intro. Family Pizzeria looking for a security guard to work the night shift. I hope I ain't the security guard. I know something bad is gonna happen. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm really nervous. Huh? Pizza! Pizza! Okay. Is that... Oh crap! We have a power! No! I don't want to. I want to call some people, man. Hello. Yeah. So.
I wanted to record a message for you.
So.
To help you get settled in on your first night.
Whoa, what's that?
I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact. So, I know
Pizza. I think you just said pizza.
But I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about.
Turn that dang fan off. It's racing power.
So, let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Yeah.
A magical place for kids and grown-ups alike. Where
Sure.
fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear
Okay, he
Entertainment
definitely said pizza. Alright, I am back. It is sad fortunate that, I forgot how to put the thing down and I exited out the whole screen. So, right enough. It's a pizza. You don't like pepperoni? We are working at a pizzeria, right? So I would think it would be pepperoni. Okay. I make no sense. Pizza.
I wanted to record a message for you.
Pizza.
to
See ya.
help you get
See ya, bro. Huh? I'm hearing noises. Pizza. 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 I'm like hearing noises. Shut up, Freddy Fazbear. Freddy Fazbear, I don't call you Freddy Faz Tits, okay? Let's make one thing straight, okay? Pizza? Nope, no pizza. Okay. Oh god, this is... I didn't think it was gonna be this freaky. Like, every time I'm turning the light on, I'm leaning back. You're all still behaving. Shut up, whatever that noise is. Pizza. Pizza. I'm like honestly leaning back every time I turn on one of the lights. Pizza. Wait, what did I say? Let's party. Sure, pretty fat tits. Okay. They're still there? Yeah. Pizza? No pizza. What if one of them shows up at the door and asks me if I want a pizza? What? Audio only. Oh. That's kind of a bummer, man. Do you hear that? It's weird. Okay, what I'm wondering is, like, can you die? I'm hearing, like, what? What? Oh, I just heard footsteps. Pizza? No pizza, okay. Oh god, my heart's beating really fast right now. Oh no! Should I be concerned right now? Okay. Oh, I hear footsteps. Oh. Oh, no, close it. What? No. What? You can't do this to me. Close the door. You can't do this. You cheater. Oh no, I'm freaking die. Oh, you stupid game! Yay! First night, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm nervous. I don't want to do the second night. Not really. Okay. Everything will be fine, buddy. Everything will be just fine. Everything will just be alright. Everything will be just alright. Hello.
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses.
Oh, God.
It might be a good idea
Oh, there's already 2 of them.
just to make sure everyone's in the proper place.
Where is he?
Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often.
Where it is? There it is.
So,
Holy crap.
hey,
There's 2 of them gone now? Are you...
I also want to emphasize the importance of
Oh.
using your door light.
Oh,
There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots have to be right outside your doors. So if you can't find something or somewhere on your cameras, be sure to check the door light. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that.
oh.
Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove from time to time. The character in there seems unique in that he becomes more active as the cameras remain off for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
What is wrong with this game? That's what I'm wondering. Dude, I don't care what you have to say. I just want out. I don't want to do this job. I honestly don't. Even if, so what if I get paid? Oh. Oh. No one's here. Pirate Cove. This is freaky. What? What? What's happening? Oh, there it is, there it is. Oh my God, what is that thing? Oh, stay back. Stay back, Foxy. Stupid. I'm hearing footsteps, man. Ah! Oh, dude, no. Back off. Are you still there? Oh. I just want to go home. I just want to go home. Foxy. Stay. Oh my god, this is so scary, man. I'm gonna run out of freaking power. I swear to God, I'm gonna run out of freaking power. Oh my god. Dude, no joke. My heart feels weird. No joke. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, enough joke. I'm like legitimately scared right now. I've never been this scared. I'm not joking around. Okay, I think the thing that came to my door, I think he farted off somewhere. So, oh, come on. Yeah! I'm the king of this game. Yay! Alright guys, I've had fun. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.